friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set voice call even off also on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here on the last, no, suppose you're in the screen, you just keep scrolling like this on the last. Okay, last one, just click on the system. When you click on system, here you can see the languages and input the first option, so you have to click on it. When you click on it, here you are going to find this on screen keyboard, so here you have to click on this on screen keyboard. When you click on it, here is the Google voice typing, right? So click on Google voice typing. Sorry, not here. Here you can see Gboard, click on Gboard. After that, here you are going to find the voice typing. So this is the Google voice typing. It means the if you want to use the typing by voice, you can use it here. Okay, and if you want to off, you can off it like this. See, if you want to use, you can use it like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.